The jungle was alive with excitement. Parrot, the self-appointed messenger of the jungle, flapped his colorful wings as he made his announcement. Hear ye, hear ye. Tomorrow is the grand jungle picnic by the riverside. Everyone must bring their tastiest dish to share. The animals cheered. Elephant thought about his famous peanut butter sandwiches. I'll make them extra special this time, he said. Bunny hopped in place, exclaiming, I'll bake a carrot cake so delicious, it'll make everyone's whiskers twitch. Squirrel, always enthusiastic about food, decided on a nutty salad with a secret honey dressing. High up on a branch, Monkey listened to the commotion. His mischievous grin spread wide. Why should I bother cooking when I can just grab whatever I want at the picnic? He thought, scratching his head. The next day, the riverside was buzzing with activity. Animals spread out colorful blankets, set up picnic baskets, and filled the air with the aroma of delicious food. Bunny's carrot cake sat proudly in the center, while elephant sandwiches were neatly arranged in a pyramid. Squirrel's nutty salad gleamed in the sunlight, its honey dressing glistening. Monkey arrived fashionably late, carrying an empty basket. He wiped imaginary sweat from his brow. Phew, what a tiring morning, but I made it. Elephant turned to him and asked, What did you bring, Monkey? Oh, something very special, Monkey said, quickly changing the topic. Let's start eating. As the animals busied themselves chatting and tasting each other's dishes, Monkey saw his chance. He crept toward the food and slyly grabbed a big slice of Bunny's carrot cake. He then scooped a handful of Squirrel's salad and took a sandwich from Elephant's plate. Monkey darted behind a bush to feast on his stolen treasures. He gobbled up the food quickly, crumbs flying everywhere. But Monkey wasn't careful. A trail of crumbs and bits of food led right to his hiding spot. Back at the picnic, Bunny noticed the missing slice of carrot cake. Who took a piece of my cake without asking? She exclaimed. Squirrel's salad bowl looked emptier than before, and Elephant noticed his sandwich pyramid had collapsed. Someone's been taking our food, he bellowed. The animals followed the crumb trail, and soon they found Monkey behind the bush. His cheeks were stuffed, and he froze mid-bite when he saw them. Monkey, you didn't bring any food, did you? And now you're stealing ours? Bunny shouted. Monkey stammered, well, I was just taste testing. He gave an awkward laugh, but no one was amused. Elephant crossed his trunk over his chest. You should have just asked, Monkey. Stealing isn't right. Bunny added, we worked hard to prepare our dishes. It's only fair that everyone contributes. Monkey hung his head, ashamed. I'm sorry. I thought it would be easier to just take a little bit of everything. I didn't mean to upset anyone. The animals decided to teach Monkey a lesson. Elephant pointed to the pile of dirty dishes and said, Since you didn't bring any food, you can help by cleaning up. Bunny and Squirrel nodded in agreement. Monkey groaned but knew he had no choice. Fine, he said, grabbing a sponge. As the others enjoyed the picnic, Monkey scrubbed plates, bowls, and utensils. He splashed water everywhere, and soap bubbles floated around him. The animals couldn't help but giggle as they watched Monkey struggle. This will teach him not to take things for granted, Bunny whispered. By the end of the day, Monkey was exhausted. His hands were wrinkled from all the scrubbing, and he was covered in soap suds. But he had learned his lesson. I'm sorry for stealing, Monkey said. I realize now how much effort you all put into preparing your food. I promise to bring my own dish next time. Bunny smiled. Good. Sharing is fun when everyone contribute. Monkey brightened up. Next time, I'll make my special banana pie. It'll be the best dish at the picnic. The animals cheered, and Monkey felt a sense of pride. He had learned the value of hard work and the joy of sharing. Taking things without permission isn't fair, and hard work always pays off. Sharing and honesty make friendships sweeter.
Please like and subscribe my channel for more such stories.